Now it's time for this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. This is a question I hear all the time. People will say, "You've been so successful on Etsy, you must have relied on Etsy ads." And the truth is, I really haven't. My whole first year selling on Etsy, when I scaled to six figures in 10 months, I did not use any Etsy ads. So here's my recommendation to you if you are thinking about running Etsy ads in your shop. The most important thing is to validate your ideas first. And what do I mean by that? What that means is you want to make sure that your product aligns with what Etsy buyers want. So if you are listing products and they are not getting any organic traffic or any organic sales, throwing Etsy ads at them isn't going to help. It is just going to burn your money. So you want to make sure that you have products that Etsy buyers organically want before you start putting money towards them with Etsy ads. The long and the short of it is you don't want to spend money promoting products that you don't even know work yet. So once you start to have a product or two that start to get sales, that's when you can consider running Etsy ads if you would like and if it's in your budget. But again, I spent over a year without running Etsy ads and I still run pretty minimal ads to this day. It just didn't align with me and my budget and the things I was prioritizing in my business. So are Etsy ads valuable? Yes, they can be, but you want to make sure it's the right time and with the right products. Thanks again for joining me for this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. I'm Emily, your top 1% Etsy seller and coach. Don't forget to send in your questions by commenting below so I can answer them in an upcoming video.